This is a wig. That's right. That part right there is not my hair. It just appears to be coming from my own scalp, but that is not my hair. Unlike a traditional U part wig, you have to have a large leave out to cover up that big bulky weft. With the thin part wig, there is no weft at the top. So that's how you can actually wear it with no leave out when clipped in, with curly textures, with straight textures when clipped in. Because there's no weft, you can wear 90% less leave out than a traditional U parts wig. So in this video, I am going to show you the amounts of hair that I leave out when I am wearing straight textures. I'm also going to show you how it appears when I'm wearing a ponytail and other styles. So let's go ahead and get started. So let me show you my leave out. As you can see, it is see-through. It is very thin. And again, because the top of the wig mimics real hair roots, there is no weft at the top of the wig. So that's how you can wear such a thin amount of hair out. It's completely see-through. I'm going to show you that it is in fact clipped on. Very simple, just clip to the roots of my hair. And again, because there is no weft, it is completely undetectable with my thin see-through leave out. So I'm going to lay this down and blend it in, and I want you to look at how this disappears right into the wig. Look at that. And I love that the color is able to peek through much closer to the top of the wig, which makes it appear that my own hair is highlighted. So this to me is a lot more natural than when the color starts further down. I just love the fact that it looks like it is my own hair that's highlighted because it's starting, look at that, it starts much closer to the top of the wig. So it's able to frame my face. It just looks so much more natural to me, and I absolutely love that. This is the Kelsey unit. It's a medium light yaki texture. I say medium lights because this is the honey blonde color, and anytime the hair is colored, it loosens the texture. So it's not as coarse as it would be if it were in its natural color, like a natural black or darker color. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it looks when I have volume to it. I've just added some curls to the top, even like in the roots area. I added some volume so that it can stand up better. And I'm going to show you exactly how much leave out I have along my hairline. So I leave out hair along the entire hairline so that I can wear it in different styles. So not only here, but along my entire front hairline, I leave out just a thin amount of hair so that I'm able to do things like this. Whether I brush and comb it back, it's completely undetectable as you see here. Whether I am wearing it with a bang with some volume, or I want to pull it back into a ponytail, I just leave a thin amount of hair along my entire hairline. So I'm also going to show you what it looks like when I do like a side over the shoulder look. It lays completely flat, as you can see, and it looks very, very natural. So whether you have volume on one side or it's laying flat on the other side, whatever the case, it's going to look natural. Now I'm going to quickly show you how it appears when I am wearing it in a ponytail. So this is how it looks. It looks very natural, just like you would wear with the sew-in. Of course, you do not want to wear a gelled down type of ponytail, but just a natural ponytail, and it looks natural. So very quickly, look at this gorgeous color. It is a mixture of browns and blondes, so you have highlights and lowlights. I just absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite colors to wear. So whether you are wearing a style with a lot of volume or a little bit of volume, either way, it's very easy to blend your leave out because your leave out is so thin. It just blends in very, very easily. Again, you only have to wear 90% less leave out than a traditional U Part wig. And if you're wearing curly textures, you don't even have to wear a leave out at all. And again, this is when you are clipping the units in. So I'm showing you how thin that leave out is. Again, it is see-through. Because there's no weft at the top, it literally just disappears into that wig. So if you prefer a style like this that doesn't have any volume at the top whatsoever, it's still going to look natural even with that thin see-through leave out. Now, if you are a curly girl and you love wearing curly textures, then you can wear this wig clipped in with no leave out whatsoever, and it will be completely undetectable and look very natural, as you can see here. Of course, this wig can also be worn with a thin leave out with curly textures, and if you want to see that video, check the description box. It is in the description box. Here it is with a very thin leave out with the curly textures, which I do when I'm wearing smooth flats roots. So if you're like me and you hate little lace holes and large leave outs, then the Thin Part wig will be perfect for you. Thank you for watching.